Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's getting to that time of year again. What is it? Christmas. We love Christmas. We don't like the work involved, so we've got some shortcuts to help you along the way with the Thermomix TM6. Today we're doing brandy sauce. Nice easy ingredients. We've got brandy, we've got flour, we've got caster sugar, cream, butter and milk. And that's all we need to make a lovely Thermomix brandy sauce. So here we go. We push our start cooking button and we need 60 grams of unsalted butter, 60 grams of golden caster sugar, 60 grams of plain flour, 460 grams of whole milk. This is free range milk and organic. Then we put the lid on with the measuring cup inserted and we will turn that on there, and there we go. Okay, there we go, done. Next is 40 to 60 grams of brandy, 100 grams of double cream. Then we cook for 20 seconds, 90 degrees, speed 4. We now have a wonderful brandy sauce and we pour that into a serving bowl. Not the ideal one, but it's all I've got for the moment. So here we go. Lovely, thick, creamy brandy sauce to go over your favourite dish. And there we have it. Brandy sauce, easily cooked on the TM6. Gorgeous, look at that. Ah, it smells delightful. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.